queens. I need to get into the zone. I have my little, I love this thing, little color changing oil diffuser. Favorite new mug, canister. I have water in here forever and it's just always cold. Thanks, Owl Carcam. Anyways, I have an unboxing. Look at this! Clean Beauty Podcast is getting so much stuff. I love it. This is from Kosmatology. It's spelled with a K, and I love that they say Hello Beauty even out here on the package. It's cute. So we're just gonna open this up together. Ooh, cute. Hi, Cassandra. Enjoy the goodies. We look forward to hearing from you. I hope you like them. Cool. 100% recycled paper. Thank you so much. So it looks like these are going to be what I have here. A moisturizer, a face wash, a couple products, and some info. So I'm gonna read the info, and there's 3 cards. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so let's see what we have. Nice bright green stuff. So the first thing is I need a new hand soap. So this is really great. I actually need something. These are made the old-fashioned way using the highest quality organic oils such as coconut, olive, and safflower. Their pleasing scent comes from a blend of organic essential oils. No thickening agents, perfumes, triclosan are found in their soaps, and amazing pumps create a thick foam, which is my favorite. It's cruelty-free. It's on the Think Dirty app. That's how I found these lovers. And I can't wait to wash my hands. Like, never thought I would say that, but it's true. Oh my gosh. So this is the Botanical Bliss, and this is the foaming face wash rose geranium. And as you can tell, they're super cute, like little packaging. This is an 8-ounce one, and it's made safe. So you can go to madesafe.org. These guys are just, they got it. This is hand sanitizer spritz. That's interesting. Where's this one? It's free from harmful chemicals, same sort of thing. Although it kills organic ethyl alcohol although it contains organic ethyl alcohol to kill germs, it also contains organic glycerin to rehydrate. Organic essential oils are added to create amazing scent. Wow, yeah, totally. I could see that it's so thin though, like I could see that the alcohol agent's in there, and I do smell it too. But this is pretty cool. Orange, lemon, lime. Nice. I love that they use organic ingredients. This is also different. You know, you don't really see a lot of spritz hand sanitizers, or I would think first that this would be like a deodorant bar, but this is actually a spearmint, rosemary, petroleum-free, paraben and phthalate-free lotion bar. Super cool. So that's this one. And let's see. This looks like it's the last thing in this little box. I'm gonna put this back in there. These things always get everywhere. Like, they're not my favorite. I know that they're probably from recycled paper, but they always stick to my clothes and they always get on the floor, and then Obi tries eating them. And, you know, because she's always hungry because she's fat. So, this is a moisturizer. So this is rose geranium as well for dry skin. So I did tell them that I had a drier skin and that I would need something like that. So let me see what this one says. This is a sanitizer, and it looks like there's 4 different sanitizers that you could get. And then the soaps, it looks like there's grapefruit, orange, lemon, eucalyptus. I got, lavender eucalyptus. So they have all those different soaps. And then the face wash and moisturizer like kind of go together. It looks smaller in this picture, but right there. But this just says, anti-aging face wash combats against aging with a blend of organic essential oils that give free radicals elements in our environment that break down cells, a 1-2 punch. Rose geranium tightens skin and reduces large pores. It also offers antioxidant protection, prevents degeneration of cells, and promotes cell renewal and proper blood circulation. All of these effects help delay wrinkles and give your skin a more youthful look. Carrot seed oil nourishes, tightens, rejuvenates, and softens wrinkles. I need that right now. Cool. The base consists of a gentle blend of organic olive, coconut, and castor oil. The matching face moisturizer contains the same blend of essential oils, but also includes chamomile and calendula to calm skin and reduce redness and swelling. The base is light, however, it contains an extremely moisturizing combination of hemp seed, grapeseed, jojoba, and olive oils. I'm seeing that a lot lately, which is cool. The jojoba oil is just everywhere. This is just, it can't get any cleaner than this. Super excited to try all of these. Thank you to Kosmatology for sending this. This is a really quick unboxing video. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.